Hey guys, it's Fair Rebecca and I'm back here with another video. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to get real geo powers or earth powers. Today I am in Sabiok cosplay from the Netflix show Squid Game. And so let's get into the video. So before we get into the video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And this spell is actually one that I think you guys will like a lot, as it's very simple and it doesn't really require a lot of materials. It's definitely more about intention. So really all you're gonna need is a very small dish of water, an acorn, or something that connects to the earth in a way of there's two kinds of earth. There's the rocky side and like the leaf, more, nature side. So you're gonna need one that connects from each part. So for the rocky side, you can use an acorn or rock or dirt. Rock and dirt works the best. And then for the more nature side, the best thing to use is a leaf. So for me, I would use a leaf and an acorn, or probably like a pine needle and a rock, or either of those combinations is okay, but you have to have one to symbolize each different side, because there's two sides of earth. There's rocky and the more nature kind. So basically, after you get those materials, you're going to want to take your little bowl of water and place both of the materials into the bowl of water and have them sit either so the thing from the leafy side should float. This is why I love using leaves or pine needles to represent the leafy side. And the thing from the rocky side should sink, like an acorn or a rock, like a heavy acorn would sink. So after you have that done, you are going to ask the earth spirits to enchant you with the powers of the earth, and you need to make clear that your intention is to get power from both sides of the earth, because you can't have real geo or earth powers if you only have powers from one side of the earth. It can't work like that. So you have to have powers from both sides. So you ask, it has to be your own unique chant or else it doesn't work. Because it's something that's specific to you and your intentions yourself, if that makes sense. But basically, you're going to want to specify in your intentions that you want power from both sides, and you need to also express your gratitude for that. So for example, I would say something like, may you please bless and enchant me with the power of both the geo and the trees. Mother Earth, would you please? Something like that. And then you're going to repeat that for as many times as you think you need it. I like to do it about 5 times for good measure, but you can do it even more than that. Don't do any less than 5, because you want to get your point across. And if it worked, you should sort of see like a ripple in the trees, or sort of a gust of wind. If a gust of wind happens, that means it worked. And then you should have earth powers. In order to actually grow plants, though, you need to train for a long time, because you won't be able to actually grow plants immediately out of the ground unless you train for a while. It's possible. It just takes a very long time. So when you first get earth powers, you'll probably be able to do things like slightly move rocks or make wind gusts, because the wind is the earth, and you'll also be able to sort of control water. Earth, in my opinion, is one of the best and most useful powers to have, because you can also control water and wind with it. Not so much fire, though, because fire and earth are sort of enemies. Fire is destructive towards earth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if it worked for you, and thank you for watching. Bye!